Here's what's actually happening with AI and jobs right now. Because the headlines are either terrifying or completely dismissive, and neither one is useful to you. Let me give you the real numbers. In the first 6 months of 2025 alone, 77,999 tech jobs were directly attributed to AI driven layoffs. That's documented. That's not a prediction. That's already happened. At the same time, a record 5.6 million Americans earned over $100,000 as independent workers in 2025. Both of those things are true simultaneously, and understanding why is the most important career insight you can have right now. So, let's break down what AI is actually doing to the job market because it's more nuanced than AI takes jobs or AI creates jobs. The Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei stated in 2025 that AI could eliminate roughly 50% of entry level white collar positions within 5 years. That's a massive claim and it deserves serious attention. What he's specifically talking about is the bottom of the career ladder: the junior analyst, the entry level copywriter, the junior developer, the first year paralegal. These roles existed partly because experienced professionals needed someone to do the foundational, repetitive work. AI now does that foundational work. But here's what that means for you, and this is the part that most people miss. If you're already past entry level, or if you skill up fast enough to skip entry level, AI becomes a force multiplier for you, not a threat. The workers getting hurt are the ones who aren't adapting. Now, 1 in 6 employers said they expected to reduce headcount due to AI in 2026. That's real. But in the same surveys, 63% of business leaders said they don't believe AI will significantly reduce employment in high income countries long term. What they're describing is compression, not elimination. Fewer people doing more. That means the people who survive are earning more. The data on gender is worth flagging here too. 79% of employed women in the US work in jobs categorized as high automation risk, compared to 58% of men. That's driven by the concentration of women in clerical, administrative, and customer service roles. Exactly the roles that AI is hitting hardest. This isn't a political point, it's a practical one. If you're in one of those roles, this video is especially relevant to you. So here's the 3 tier framework I want you to use. Tier 1 is replace. Roles being fully automated within 5 years. These include data entry clerks, basic customer service reps, junior copywriters doing templated work, and certain coding tasks. If your job is mostly repetitive and rule based, you need to move. Tier 2 is reshape. Roles where AI changes what you do but doesn't eliminate the role. This is most mid career professionals. Your job description changes, your tools change, your output expectations go up, but you keep your seat if you adapt. Tier 3 is rise. Roles where AI makes you dramatically more valuable. These are people who learn to use AI as leverage. A marketer who knows AI tools can do the output of a team. A consultant who uses AI research tools can serve 5 times the clients. A developer who uses AI coding assistants can build 10 times faster. The question isn't whether AI will affect your job, it will. The question is which tier you're going to put yourself in. And that is 100% a choice you can make right now. In the next video in this series, I'm going to show you the 5 AI skills you can learn this weekend that move you from tier 2 directly to tier 3. Make sure you're subscribed so you catch that one. Subscribe to Wealth AI because every single week we are breaking down one powerful AI tool, one proven business strategy, and one practical system that can help you move closer to financial freedom. My goal isn't to overwhelm you with technology, it's to show you how to turn technology into opportunity, opportunity into income, and income into long-term wealth. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. It helps the channel grow and it ensures you stay ahead of the curve as AI continues to reshape careers, businesses, and the way we make money. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI tool you're going to start using first. I read every comment, and many of our future videos are inspired directly by this community. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with Wealth AI. And remember, the biggest winners in the AI revolution won't be the people who simply use the tools. They'll be the people who learn how to create value with them. Keep learning, keep building, keep growing. I'll see you in the next one.